Hey everyone, today I want to dive into a crucial topic that's shaping the future of Zimbabwe. Nelson Chamisa, the prominent opposition leader, has been making waves with his bold statements against President Emmerson Mnangagwa's administration. He's got a vision for Zimbabwe that's all about integrity, accountability, and a respect for the rule of law. Chamisa recently left the Citizens Coalition for Change, or CCC, accusing the ruling party of meddling and removing his members from parliament and council positions. He's been vocal on social media, expressing his concerns about Zimbabwe heading towards an authoritarian regime. Despite stepping down from the CCC, Chamisa is committed to serving the public and advocating for a better future for Zimbabwe. Now, let's talk about Mnangagwa's controversial victory in the presidential election. He secured a second term with 52.6% of the vote, while Chamisa got 44%. But this election wasn't smooth sailing. There were allegations of voter intimidation and biased media coverage, raising doubts about its fairness. International observers and the opposition have expressed serious reservations about the electoral process. In his victory speech, Mnangagwa called for unity and reconciliation, but the shadow of these allegations still looms large. The Southern African Development Community Observer Mission even noted irregularities and called for investigations. The credibility of this election is crucial for Zimbabwe's political and economic future. Amidst this political drama, Chamisa has outlined a new path for Zimbabwe. He's critical of the current administration's economic policies, blaming them for the country's economic woes. Chamisa's vision is about fostering a business-friendly environment through integrity and accountability. He believes in reforms that encourage investment, promote transparency, and restore public trust. His plan isn't just about economic recovery, it includes social justice, human rights, and democratic principles. Chamisa envisions a Zimbabwe where the rule of law prevails, individual freedoms are respected, and everyone has a voice. This vision is resonating with many Zimbabweans who are struggling with the current economic conditions. Chamisa's proposals offer a glimmer of hope for a brighter future. He advocates for policies that empower local businesses, attract foreign investment, and create jobs. Imagine a Zimbabwe where the government works for the people, where businesses thrive, and where there's economic stability and growth. That's the future Chamisa is fighting for. So, what do you think? Could Chamisa's vision be the change Zimbabwe needs? Let's keep the conversation going in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay engaged and stay hopeful.